does it work?
Hey, somebody do me a favor and grab that tripod real quick.
Shove it up your ass? Oh. No, take it far away.
Hello. Wait.
What the fuck did he put in there?
I don't know, but it was big.
Dumbass.
Oh shit, the gold's might get lost. There, get this.
Dude, I'd get a little further away, dude.
Holy fuck!
What the? I'm glad I told you to get out of the way, man. You kind of needed to.
You weren't lying.
Holy
That's all the way across camp.
Dude, I was only touching the tops of the whoops.
He was standing up, but he wasn't hitting anything.
Fucking great. I didn't get to see it.
Holy crap, I hope I got that whole thing on tape, dude, because that was fucking great. For about 2 seconds, I was a little worried for you.
Was I that fucking close
Because
to
you just
it?
sort of fucking disappeared in fire.
I felt extreme heat and I fucking started running.
That's fucking great.
Fuck, I need to get another one of those. I want to see it. I want to see that shit.
Good thing you got your fucking thermals on, dude. I gave you a little protection.
Yeah.